The Pakistan Army is the largest branch of the Pakistan Armed Forces and has a storied history of bravery, sacrifice, and excellence. With its roots in the British Indian Army, the Pakistan Army came into being in 1947, when Pakistan gained independence from British colonial rule. Since its inception, the Pakistan Army has played a vital role in defending the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity. It has fought several wars with neighboring India, including the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947, the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, and the Kargil War in 1999. The Pakistan Army has also been involved in various military operations and peacekeeping missions around the world. The Pakistan Army is known for its professionalism, discipline, and courage. Its soldiers are trained at some of the best military academies in the world and are equipped with state-of-the-art weapons and technology. The army has a strong tradition of leadership and has produced many notable generals and officers who have made significant contributions to the country's military history. One of the most significant contributions of the Pakistan Army has been its role in the country's national development. The army has been involved in various nation-building projects, including the construction of roads, bridges, and dams. It has also played a key role in disaster relief efforts and has provided humanitarian assistance to affected populations. The Pakistan Army is also a major contributor to international peacekeeping efforts. It has participated in various United Nations peacekeeping missions around the world and has played a key role in maintaining peace and stability in conflict-ridden regions. Despite its many achievements, the Pakistan Army has faced several challenges in recent years. It has been involved in a long-running conflict with terrorist groups in the country's northwestern region and has suffered significant casualties. However, the army has shown remarkable resilience and determination in the face of adversity and has made significant gains against terrorist groups. The Pakistan Army is a highly professional and capable military force that has played a vital role in defending the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Its soldiers are known for their bravery, sacrifice, and excellence, and the army has made significant contributions to national development and international peacekeeping efforts. Despite the challenges it faces, the Pakistan Army remains a source of pride for the nation and a symbol of hope for a brighter future. The Pakistan Army's history is replete with stories of valor and sacrifice. From the bravery of Major Aziz Bhatti during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965 to the martyrdom of Captain Karnal Sher Khan during the Kargil War, the army has produced countless heroes who have laid down their lives for the country. The Pakistan Army's contributions to national development are also noteworthy. The army has been involved in various infrastructure development projects, including the construction of roads, bridges, and dams. It has also played a key role in disaster relief efforts, providing humanitarian assistance to affected populations during natural disasters such as earthquakes and floods. In addition to its military and development roles, the Pakistan Army has also been involved in various social welfare projects. The Army Welfare Trust, established in 1971, provides education, healthcare, and other services to the families of Army personnel. The Army also runs several schools, colleges, and universities, providing quality education to thousands of students. Despite its many achievements, the Pakistan Army faces several challenges. The ongoing conflict with terrorist groups in the northwestern region has resulted in significant casualties and has put a strain on the army's resources. However, the army has shown remarkable resilience and determination in the face of adversity and has made significant gains against terrorist groups. And excellence, and the army has made significant contributions to national development and international peacekeeping efforts. The army's history, contributions, and challenges make it a symbol of hope,